Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on Instagram on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to enable dark mode in your Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, just open Instagram here. You just have to simply search for Instagram, and your Instagram will be open. You just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now here, you just have to wait for the loading until the page fully loads. Just click on this more option over here. Click on this. And then you will see the option of switch appearance. Just click on switch appearance. And you will see the option of dark mode. Simply enable this option. Once I've enabled, your dark mode will be successfully enabled for your Instagram. So in this way, you can easily enable dark mode in Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.